Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Before starting to this video, please do set the speed level as per your convenience. As per the yesterday's analysis, the market has traded in a very small range. So this was discussed in yesterday's analysis. So Nifty has closed with 28 points higher and Bank Nifty closed in 91 points lower. So let's check the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player are planning. Will follow by FII. In options, FII have increased put by 58,000 contracts today and no changes in call. So they were holding 1,89,000 contracts in call and put. Now they have 1,64,000 contracts in put now. So this is almost equal now. And in futures, they have booked the profit on a long side. So they have reduced their longs, increased the short by 6%. They have 71% long and 21% short. No changes in stock future percentage, 53% long and 47% short. And the good thing, they purchase in cash market for 369 crores. So the view of FII is still very much positive only. They are very much positive in future index and neutral position in options. And this is also neutral position in stock futures, very much positive in cash market now. Client are the retailers. In put, they were holding only 4,000 contracts of put buying yesterday. Today they have a huge contract of put writing today of 1 lakh contracts. And in call, they were holding 2,20,000 of call writing contracts by yesterday. Today they have unwinded 1 lakh contracts. So now they have 1,18,000 of call writing contracts. So now they have almost equal number of call and put writing. They believe market has to be in range bound or do they just want to eat the premium for this weekend? That's why they have created this position. And here in future index also they have 50-50 now. And in stock futures 85% long and 15% short. This is positive. And they have sold for 423 crores in cash market. So the view of client is, see, this is neutral. This is also we will consider as neutral, and this is positive and this is negative. So neutral, positive, we will leave the cash market. So actually they don't have any directional view as of now. They don't want to hedge anyways. Promoters, what they did input, they were holding 1,37,000 of put writing by yesterday. Today they have booked the profit on a put writing by 49,000 contracts, still holding 87,000 of put writing now. And in call, they were holding 29,000 of call buying. Today also they booked the profit on call side and made a fresh call writing of 71,000 contracts. So this is almost equal more on a put side. In future index, they have increased the long, decreased the short by 4%, 40% long and 60% short. And in stock future percentage, they have booked the profit on long side by 2%, increase the short, decrease the longs by 2%. 64% long they have now and 36% short. And they purchased for 335 crores in cash market. This is very much positive. So the view of promoters, see, this is neutral in options, bearish in future index and positive in stock futures and purchasing cash market. So simple, see, they are hedging the positions in futures and options and going long in stock futures and cash market. So we will consider promoters and NFIs are positive. Until they are positive, we can trade on a positive side. So DII sold 295 crores today as well, and the cash flow for today was 15 crores only, negative figure. So the PCR for Nifty today was 1.04, Bank Nifty today was 0.08. Month end Nifty is at 1.44 and Bank Nifty is 1.15. So PCR is very much positive and good buying has to come from Bank Nifty now. So I just want to explain this chart, but the video will be very much lengthy. Even I'm making the video for 7 minutes, people are not watching. So in some other analysis video, I will explain the net value, how this net value has arrived, and I will explain this chart. So please do like and share and comments, guys, to encourage me, motivate me for making such videos. And upcoming I will be explaining everything and I want to share this sheet with you too. So let's check the price action now. Let's begin the price action. We'll check Nasdaq in 1 day time frame. So they are trading in negative by 26 points lower. Let's check in smaller time frame in 5 minutes. They have gap down opened and it is recovering now. Dow Dow opened positive and trading positive by 172 points higher. Let's check the Dow in longer time frame as they have broke this resistance of 34,000. So this is very much positive for them now. And SGX is trading 18,665 now. They're trading with. The best thing to watch is the India VIX. They are at 13.3. So this shows a comfortable level of Indian market. Let's come to Nifty. See, Nifty hammer kind of a candle, it has closed today in a 1 day time frame. Means we have to check the Monday's closing. Do we are closing under this red candle or above this? So above this it will be positive, under this then we have to see do the selling is going to come or not. Let's check the Bank Nifty also given a negative closing only, but still we have strength in Bank Nifty. So what will be the strategy? Strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty is simple. See, the market is trading on a very high level now. So if we are getting on dip, we can purchase, buy on dip, and selling still we don't see any very good selling, because even if I is purchasing at this levels, then there is no need of selling. Only if we are getting a short trade in a intraday, then only we can scalp. No positional trade. As per the open interest analysis also, see market is showing consolidation and positiveness. That's it. No selling any pair. So that's it. So simple. The strategy should be to buy on dip or scalp for a long side only. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy weekend. Good night. Jai Hind. Bye.